the new school year approaching, groups are working to bridge the gap for families navigating special education. This past weekend, the nonprofit Padres en Liderazgo hosted a bilingual workshop. It was held at the East Las Vegas Library. Nearly 100 families attended. The big turnout shows a major need in the area. Organizers say parents need better access to guidance and resources for children with disabilities. For many, the struggle starts with knowing their rights.
Normally, it's the school district because they don't know that the school district has the responsibility to provide information and resources for them. And they also, first it's for the language barrier, but also because the parents, they don't know how to interact with the schools.
This is Selene Lozada. This is the founder. The event also featured a panel of parent advocates. They say their work goes beyond providing resources and encourages the community to approach families with empathy.